Day 44, washing machine. Washing machines are home appliances that make it easy to do the laundry. Doing the laundry is a high-maintenance household chore. This makes washing machines a must-have appliance. Moreover, the newest products these days are even better, using the latest technology. New washing machines have lots of functions. They can adjust the amount of water or laundry detergent depending on the amount of laundry. You can also use settings for the water temperature and wash cycle depending on the type of clothing. You can set the number of rinse cycles as well as the length and intensity of the spin cycle. You can also pre-wash your laundry by soaking it in water first. These various functions give you cleaner clothes without damaging the material.